If you knew what was in your grocery store beef, you probably would never consume it ever again. But I'm gonna spare you the gross details and just tell you about the good stuff. I'm Justin with Heartland Foods. All right, Heartland family, I'm gonna let you in on a little personal secret of mine. My favorite way to construct a burger. Here we go. The secret is the grind. There is one industry-known secret, a favorite blend that the best restaurants use, and that's what we bring to you at Heartland. So when you're picking up your traditional 90-10s, 80-20s, 70-30s from grocery stores, the problem is there's really not much actual center cut beef in it. It's made from scraps, trimmings, added fat from other cuts. It's all ground together, and you end up with some leathery, flavorless, gross burger. So this right here is our premium burger blend. It's a mix of chuck, brisket, and short rib. Those three cuts are some of the fattiest parts of the animal. So when you grind these center cuts together, you get plenty of fat and flavor. You can get it in a 1 pound portion. You can get it in pre-made patties. You won't see any percentages on any of these labels because we're only giving you the quality center cuts. So hit us in the comments, tell us your favorite way to cook a burger.